A very good morning to all of you, dear students. Today in this class we will start a new topic, that is Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is depend upon the type of a triangle, that is right angle triangle. We take a structure of right angle triangle. A Greek mathematician, that's name is Pythagoras, give a relation between the sides of a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle because it is perpendicular and the value of this angle is 90 degree. This side is known as hypotenuse and it is the longest side of the triangle. It is called perpendicular and it is called base. The side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. So Pythagoras gives a relation between all the sides of a right angle triangle. The square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. It is the relation of Pythagoras theorem. The square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. It will applicable only on the right angle triangle. Now the relation that gives or follow Pythagoras theorem is known as Pythagorean triplets. In triplets we take a series of three natural numbers that follow Pythagoras theorem. The first is 3, 4, 5. 3 square plus 4 square equal to square of 5. 3 square equal to 16. 3 square equal to 9. 4 square equal to 16 plus 5 equal to 25. 16, 9, 25 equals 25. So it follow Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, 6, 8, 10. 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64 equal to 10 square 100 and 36 plus 64 equal to 100. So it also follow Pythagoras theorem. Here 5, 12 and 13. 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144 equal to 13 square 169. Now the sum of 25 plus 144 equal to 169. So it follow Pythagoras theorem and it is a Pythagorean triplet. Similarly 9, 12 and 15. 9 square 81 plus 12 square 144 equal to 15 square 225. 144 plus 18 equal to 225 and it is equal to 225. Similarly, many numbers that follow Pythagoras theorem known as Pythagorean triplet. Now we solve some questions that will based on Pythagoras theorem. Question number first. Sundaram travels 5 km towards east and then 12 km towards north. Find how far is he now from the initial point. Sundaram travels 5 km towards east. 5 km towards east and then 12 km towards north. 12 km towards north. Find how far is he now from the initial point. This point is known as initial point and it is the final point. So we will draw a perpendicular. At this it will take a shape of right angle triangle. So square of 12 plus square of 5. It is the hypotenuse equals square of hypotenuse. 12 square 144 plus 5 square 25 equal to hypotenuse square. 144 plus 25 equal to 169, and it is equal to hypotenuse square. 169 is the square of 13. So 13 square equals hypotenuse square, or hypotenuse equal to, both sides takes square, so hypotenuse equal to 30 centimeter. It is our final answer. Hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. The figure is not clear. 13 centimeter. It is the value of hypotenuse, and it is the distance from final point and initial point. Now our second question. Find the perimeter of a rectangular park whose one of the sides is 36 meter and the diagonal is 39 meter. Find the perimeter of a rectangular park. The shape contains a rectangle. So we draw a structure of rectangle. It is a rectangle. Find the perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of boundary, whose one of the sides is 36 meter. Let it is equal to 36 meter, and we know that the parallel sides of a rectangle are equal. It is 36, so it is also 36, and the diagonal is 39 meter. It is a diagonal. We know that a triangle contains, a rectangular contains two diagonals. Now in this figure there are two right angles involved. First right angle triangle and second right angle triangle, and the value of this side is 39 meter. Now we find perpendicular. It is hypotenuse, it is base, and it is perpendicular by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or we will also write it is a perpendicular. So perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So hypotenuse is equal to 39 square minus the base is 36 square. Now we find the value and we use a identity. We know that a square minus b square, a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. It is a identity, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So here we will apply the identity. At first 39 plus 36 and 39 minus 36. 39 plus 36 equal to 75. 39 plus 36 equal to 75 into 39 minus 36 equal to 3. So it is equal to 225 meter square. It is the value of square of hypotenuse, square of perpendicular. P square equal to 225. So P equal to 15 meter. P equal to 15 meter means the value of this side equal to 15 meter, because 225 is the square of 15. Now we find easily our perimeter. We know that perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. L मतलब L means length and B means breadth. L means length and B means breadth. 2 into L, L equal to 36 and B equal to 50. Now 2 into 36 plus 15 equal to 51. 51. So it is equal to 102 meter. It is our answer. Perimeter equal to 102 meter. It is our final answer. Thank you for watching.